Hello, my dear friend, class 10. My dear students, I know that you are really panicking how to complete the syllabus. But don't worry. Just follow me, do the exercise, and repeatedly make correction. I hope that the syllabus will be completed within September. And after September, I will start the Madhyamik syllabus, preparations for Madhyamik. So, my dear students, don't worry about it. Please follow the instruction. Now, today I am going to discuss about lesson 7, the cat. তোমরা একটু বইয়ে ভালো করে দেখবে. Now, it is the normal rule to study about the prose. Now know something about Andrew Barton Patterson, the author. Andrew Barton Patterson. The full name actually Andrew Barton Benio Patterson. মনে রাখবে এটা পরীক্ষাতে আছে অ্যান্ড্রু বার্টন বেনিও প্যাটারসন. Andrew Barton Patterson actually born in 1964 in Australia, and from the very beginning he wrote some ballads, poems. He was the great author and wrote down all about the story, link with the extensively linking with the village area. You know, the normal life, the rural life. He covered the psychology of human beings basically in the village area, in the Australian life, where peoples are really very simple and watch everything by heart. His notable writings, the great writings include Waltzing Matilda. The question was here, what was the most important writings of Andrew Barton Patterson? Write down the question. He wrote many great stories which are actually seen in the different kinds of movies. Out of them, Waltzing Matilda, The Man from Snowy River. And that great man was died in 1941 with a heart attack. So in the age of 76, he actually passed away, but left so many memories about his writings. So throughout the writings, you will see how fun is life, how funny life is. Nobody knows that fun makes you more real and make you the acquaintance with the life. So that's Andrew Barton Patterson. And he always tried to give you the picture of village life with a reality, and never been very toughest, never been used the very toughest language in his writings. That's why the readers are mostly interested in his writing. So this passage, the cat, it's written about animals, and that animals was normally living in the village area here and there. This animal actually connected heartily with the human life. But my dear students, that cat will give you the lot of teachings, lot of learnings. Normally, what do we think? That cat are not intelligent, they are unintelligent. But in this story, you will see that how a cat is really intelligent and practice on daily basis, maintain a strict discipline, and ultimately how much resourceful a cat is, who can teach you so many about the problems in your life. In this story, you will also learn that how cat welcome the others, that how cat wants his own share from others. So That's all, my dear students. Before going to the lesson, these word notes are very important. You just try to do that fast and pause it. একটু pause করবে, pause করে কিন্তু এটাকে চেষ্টা করবে এই ওয়ার্ডগুলো কিন্তু পার্টস অফ স্পিচগুলো লিখে নেওয়া। That unintelligent, that means dull, বোকা, fond of, interested, who is very much attracted with it, is a feel comfort, a little bit easy, great deal, plenty of, প্রচুর পরিমাণে, satisfaction, contentment means I feel very good, তৃপ্তি যেটাকে আমরা বাংলায় বলি, athletes, it's a sportsman, dream, that is terrible, ভয়ঙ্কর, loaf about, grooming about, roam about, ঘুরে বেড়ানো, pastured, irritated, attention, head or care, bedroom, boredom, this is monotonous, monotony, বিরক্তিকর, title, idea, that is conception, ধারণা, short, that means type, ধরন, shadows, that is shade থেকে shadows, ছায়া, আশ্রয়, fall, বিফল মানে পড়ে যাওয়া. So these words are unit 1 is very important. I hope you will do that properly and write down the parts of speech there. Unintelligent, dull, it is an adjective. Fond of, interested, it's an adjective. Is a, comfortable, that is adverb. Caring, bothering, it's an actual participles. So in that kind যেরকম করে তোমাদের কিন্তু পাশে পাশে পার্টিসিপল এগুলো লিখতে হবে. Next then I will tell you all about the parts of speech and write down a sentence. Class 10 students, I think you are very much interested to know this language. So please make a sentence with these words. If you make this sentence, then send me to my WhatsApp number. Now, come to the lesson, Unit 1. Carefully, কিন্তু আমি জানি তোমরা ঘরে ভালো করে পড়েছো. So most people think that the cat is an unintelligent animal, fond of Asia and caring little for anything but mice and milk. What does the normal people think about the cat? First question. আমি পড়াতে পড়াতে কোশ্চেনগুলো বলবো, that you will write down this one and answer it as according to your thinking. What does normal people think about the cat? The cat are unintelligent or a dull animal and normally very much interested. You say caring means he actually feel bothering. একমাত্র একটা জিনিস ছাড়া, only one thing, except one thing, that is mice and milk. Milk আর মাইসটা ছাড়া বাকি সব কিছু জন্য বোধার ফিল করে এবং he is unintelligent, everything, and normal people are thinking, but it is wrong. Andrew Burton Patterson actually give you the ideology that you the peoples are normally thinking the bad, the negatives about the cat, but a cat has really more character than most human beings. Most human beings, we the people are, and get a great deal more satisfactions out of life. It is normal. It is very important to us to know that cat are more intelligent, more satisfied, and more patientful in his whole life. তাহলে প্রথম প্যারাটা আমাদের হলো, সেকেন্ড প্যারা আমরা দেখো, he or she is an athlete, an acrobat and grim fighter. All day long the cat looks about the house, takes the things easy and allows himself to be pestered by the attention of the peoples in the house. He or she, whatever, সেটা মেয়েই হোক আর ছেলেই হোক, যে বিড়ালই হোক না কেন, they are a good sports person because they can jump anywhere. They are acrobat. Acrobat means he knows all about. দেখো acrobat, it's know all about one who entertaining through the different kinds of physical activities, that gymnastics, different kinds of physical movements, and a grim fighter, and a লড়াকু, যার মধ্যে লড়াই করার ক্ষমতা আছে, great fighter. All day long the cat loafs about. সারাদিন সে কি করে? What does the cat actually do in the whole day? Whole day he is loafing about. He is now grooming here and there about the house. Take things easy and allows. He is just taking his life very easy, normal way. and be pestered by the attention of the people in the honored. Be pestered. He actually making irritations to the all people in the house. To pass the time away, he sometimes watches a mouse hole for an hour or two just to keep himself from dying of boredom. একবার ভেবে দেখো how patience he is, how much patience the cat is. কতটা পেশেন্স আছে ভালো করে ভেবে দেখো. 1 hour, an hour or two, 1-2 ঘন্টা কাটাতে পারে সে কোথায়? Just before the hole, just to catch the prey, nothing else. You can watch anything 2 or 3 hours. Is it possible? But he can do this 1 or 3 hours just to keep himself from dying the boredom. No, nothing. Monotony actually covers his mind. People get this idea that this sort of things is all that holds life for a cat. But watch him as the shades of evening fall. The normal people will think, this is a conception of the normal people, that the cat actually passing the life with a full of boredom, but the actual things he will get just after the evening fall. যখন সন্ধ্যা নামে, you will see how the cat is actually behaving. You can see the cat is really is. What's the original character of the cat? You will see. তাহলে এখানে একটা প্রশ্ন লিখতে পারো, when do we see the original character of the cat? What was the normal view of the common people? How do you prove that cat has a maximum patience? And এর সঙ্গে এই ওয়ার্ড নোটস গুলো করবে, পরীক্ষাতে এগুলো আসে. ক্যারেক্টার মানে পার্সোনালিটি, অ্যাক্রোবেট মানে ওয়ান হু এন্টারটেইনস থ্রু ডিফারেন্ট ফিজিক্যাল মুভমেন্টস, গ্রিম মানে হচ্ছে সিরিয়াস. হি ইজ ভেরি টেরিবল, ভেরি ইন্টারেস্টেড অন দিস ম্যাটার. ইউনিট 2 যে পার্টটা আছে, সেই ইউনিট 2 এর পার্টটাতে আমরা একটু আজকে যাব. দেখো, when the family sits down to eat, ইউনিট 1 এর প্রশ্নগুলো করবে, আর আমি যে কোশ্চেনগুলো দিলাম সেগুলো. when the family sit down to eat, the cat puts as an appearance to get its share. That is the normal habit of the cat. What is the normal habit? That he puts is an appearance, shows his appearance that he wants his share when the family actually sat down for a tea. He purrs noisily and rubs himself against the legs of the family members. If there is a guest at the table, the cat is particularly civil to him. But now how intelligent he is. When there is any guest, কোনো অতিথি বাড়িতে এলে, how he actually showed himself. He is very much civil, very gentle, well, because the guest is likely to have the best of what is offered. He knows if he is very much civil to the guest, they will offer, they will give something. তারা অ্যালাউ করবে, অফার করবে, গিভ করবে, দেবে তাদের যে ভালো ভালো খাবারগুলো. Sometime instead of giving him something to eat, the guest stoop down and stroke the cat and says, poor pussy, poor pussy. কিন্তু কখনো কখনো it is unfortunate, কখনো কখনো দুর্ভাগ্য হয়, when some guests are coming and they are stooped down, they actually wants to eat, they actually aside the cat without giving the food, and says them, poor pussy, means they are very much affectionate and maybe showed the affection to the cat by saying poor pussy, poor pussy. The cat soon tires of that. He puts up his claws and quietly but firmly racks the guest the legs. Oh, says the guest, the cat stuck his claws and me. The delighted family remarks, isn't it sweet to him? Isn't he intelligent? He wants you to give him something to eat. So now, after hearing this affectionate word, poor pussy, the cat never be mind about it. He knows all about that what's the artificial word actually giving by the guest. So what happens? He does his duty. তার ডিউটি সে করে, সে কি করে? He spread the legs. Oh, says the guest. On that time when the guest exclaimed with the surprise or fear, means may the cat actually stuck the guest legs. During the moments, the family actually says remarks, isn't this sweet at him? আচ্ছা খুব ভালো লাগছে না? They actually noticed the guest whether it was easy, it was sweet to him or not, or they were intelligent or not. He wants you to give him something. অর্থাৎ the family members also inform the guest that my dear cat actually wanted some food from you. The guest dare not do what he would like to do, kick the cat out of the window. So with tears of rage and pain in his eyes, he affects to be very much amused and sorts out a bit of fish from his plate and hands it down. The cat gingerly receives it with a look in his eyes that says, another time, my friend, you will not be so slow to understand. He pours as he retires to a safe distance from the guest food before eating the food. So this paragraph, the second unit, this paragraph will give you the idea, the incident that the guest sometimes does not very much brave to do তারা কিন্তু সাহস করে না and kick the cat. They, instead of giving the food, they kick the cat. So it will hurt the cat and he felt very much pain in his heart. Instead of amusing that kind of heat, that kind of pain, the cat actually asides himself from their legs and sorts out a bit of fish from his plate and hands it down. যেই না তারা এটা দিয়ে দেয় কোনটা, the parts of food might be a piece of fish. On that time, the cat, maybe it is hurtful, gingerly, it's actually without making any noise, he went out from the place, though he is full of pain, full of unhappiness in his mind, but according to his plan, he got the share. He pours as he retires as a safe distance and keeps safe distance from the legs of the boots of guest, because he doesn't believe that something, he doesn't expect that something would be happen what is negative to him. So my dear friend, my dear students, please do that what I've given the questions actually and do the exercise. And next day I will discuss all about the questions and the question answer and the comprehension exercise. Thank you very much for watching this channel.